Hello Brad, this is Jeremy at G-Force Power Sports. Today we're taking a look over your CR250. Tony's telling me you just purchased it and you want us to go over and just give it a once over. Very good idea anytime you purchase something new. That way if we can catch anything that maybe the previous owner was neglecting, can save some money in the long run. So started with a compression test, 125, that's actually very good. It's kind of hard to see in this video, you'll just have to take my word for it. But basically the cylinder has nice hone marks on it, and we're also inspecting for cracks in the piston. That all looks pretty good. I would say it's recently had a top in, hard to tell how many hours are on it, but still in really good shape. The spoke tension on the wheels is not bad. The front one could use trued up a little bit. Looks like somebody may have put the wheels together, but then didn't go back and follow up and tighten everything up. So that's all stuff that's covered in a service for a two-stroke, which is what I'm going to recommend at the end of this video. And basically another half hour, but we're going to go through and do all that. Now the air filter is not that dirty, but it does have no oil on it. And this stuff, when it sits for a long period of time, it kind of loses its stickiness. We like to use the good Bel-Ray blue stuff, especially on these two strokes, just for maximum dirt stoppage. Chain looks brand new, and so do the sprockets. Those all look to be in good shape. Your linkage bolts are in correctly, very important, and your rear brake pads look brand new. Now on this one up here, might be a little hard to see in this video too. The front brake pads are about at 10%. They're very close. They do look to be Nissan brake pads, which could possibly even be the original ones. Not sure on that, but they are definitely factory Honda ones. And we like to go ahead and replace those. The other thing is too, on the front brake lever, as you pull it slowly, see how it's kind of herky-jerky? That can be several things. Could be just the pivot not being lubed. Could also be the brake fluid in there. Could also mean that the master cylinder needs rebuilt. What we like to start with is a flush on that brake fluid and basically go from there. As you can see on the rear brake fluid here, it looks pretty dark and doesn't look like it's been changed. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot you this video. And like I said, I'm just recommending a full service on this bike, which will be air filter, spark plugs, which by the way, this is your plug. So she looks like she's run a little rich. I haven't actually test ridden the bike. It's kind of hard sometimes here in the parking lot, but we can also go in there and check the jetting and just see if it is properly jetted. That's also a recommendation that we have, being that that plug's so dark, and also making sure that you've got the proper mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and send you this video, and if you want us to do these repairs, just let us know. Thank you for your time, Brad.